Hello everyone. I just wanted to give you an update on Cheenah. Cheenah pulled out about, I would say about 20 little feathers off of her back last night. And it turns out that Cheenah has seizures. If you follow me on Instagram, you might already know this, but if not, I'm here to tell you now that she has had another episode. And it wasn't as severe as the one that was 5 months ago. Hi, baby. It was a little milder, but still, last night while I was sleeping, she plucked out a bunch of feathers on her back. As you can see, her back looks really ratty right now. This one's almost gonna go, and she's gonna go to sleep, and she's gonna get her rest. She's been to the vet, and the veterinarian told me that just watch her and not to bring her in if she has another seizure, because it's more stress on her bringing her in, and just to watch her unless something severe happens. And like I said, this one was a little milder. The first episode was in July, and her whole foot, it fisted up, and this time and she was not doing that this time. This time was mild. I'm really lucky, but she's still recuperating. She's eating and drinking her water. I will keep you updated. I wanted to let you know what was going on with her. Oh, she's a poor baby. That's my Cheenah. Whether or not she was doing wonderful. I really hope that we don't have another episode. It's been 5 months. Her first one was in July. And this one was she laid an egg on Christmas Eve. So the vet knows that. All right, I'll keep you posted on what goes on. All right, bye. Aw, it's my baby. She keeps eating. I'll update you soon.